This is one of the few places in California where you can camp right on the sand, just steps from the ocean. This is Thornhill Broom Campground, part of the Point Mugu State Park in Malibu. There are 62 campsites here lined up along PCH, facing the beach. Each site includes a picnic table and a fire ring. This is dry camping, no hookups, no running water. There's vault toilets throughout the campground, but no showers. Each campsite allows up to 2 vehicles, and the cost is $35 per night. You can make your reservation 6 months in advance at reservecalifornia.com. Dogs are allowed in the campground as long as they're on a leash, but they're not permitted on the nearby trails. There's no shade here, no trees, no coverage, just open sky, waves, and wind. It can get hot during the day, especially in the summer, and windy at night, so come prepared. This trip didn't go the way I planned. I had to leave in the middle of the night to rush and say goodbye to my dog. I've sat with this footage for a while. I'm not sure I can post it, because even though this was a beautiful place, sometimes beautiful places can hold the hardest memories. That being said, I'd love to go back, but not yet. So if you get the chance, go here, camp here, and listen to the waves for me.